Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. On today's video, I will show you the beginning and end of me creating this beautiful board and batten square accent wall for my client. So let's get it. Ready? And the paint is not fully dry.
I'm about to cry. Oh no. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful.
It's your color. It's your choice.
I absolutely love it.
I love the colors together.
This is exactly what I pictured. Exactly what I pictured. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. I love it. This is so cool.
I love it. I love it, girl. Now I'm ready to do me a wall in my bedroom.
Turn this bright light on.
Oh.
I want to get the full effect.
Okay, guys, we at the end of this project. It turns out absolutely beautiful. The combination of color in this room. This is Pussy Willow, and it's a Valspar paint from Lowe's. Also a Sherwin-Williams color, Pussy Willow. And then we have the Peppercorn, and this is also a Sherwin-Williams color, and it's a Valspar brand from Lowe's as well. And both of these finishes are satin finishes, guys. This room came out amazing. This will be her office space, and I'm sure that once she styles this room, it is going to look absolutely stunning. You guys can go check out her on Instagram. Different Stages is the name of her company. I will leave it in my description box as well. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time on Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. See ya.